ASMR video. I've done many different ASMR videos, but today I wanted to try clear foods. I've seen people trying clear foods for 24 hours, and I've discovered a lot of new food that I had no idea was even a thing. There is a variety of things in front of me. I'm not gonna lie, some of these are not like crazy transparent, but they're technically considered clear foods. I am gonna try all of these. Let's get to it. Also, I want to mention Craft City is constantly launching new products. One of those new products being eraser clay. You can make your own erasers with this. I actually did DIY erasers when I first started YouTube, so I'm really excited to have a whole kit now. Follow us on Instagram at Craft City Live to stay updated. Okay, where should I begin? Ooh, these are vermicelli noodles. They're clear rice noodles, and they're actually pretty clear. I don't know how clear they look to y'all, but these are as clear as could be. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, they're stretchy too. They're so gummy. I definitely think they're a tiny bit undercooked, just a tiny bit, but they remind me like of gummy. It's like an unflavored gummy. You know what? These are actually not bad. I feel like I could actually eat them by themselves. They're not tasty, but like they don't taste like anything. You know what it feels like? It feels like I was biting rubber bands. Oh yeah. Right. I think I'm gonna try something sweet next because I had like no flavor at all. Let's try these. I had no idea that lychee in this was different. This is rambutan. This is good. You guys, I'm missing a nail, so it's actually perfect to like grab it like this. Okay, these are like, they're okay. They're not bad at all. They remind me of lychee a little bit. I almost breathed it in. That's actually really good. I don't know if I like them or not. I can't tell. They're good, but it's so weird. Okay, I need some drink. We got the Ramune drink. This is lychee flavored. Lychee. I don't know what the... Come on, girl. This is a fun part, you guys. Opening these up is fun. Watch this. Why is this so hard? Girl. Do kids drink these? I'm so confused. Do I really have like no muscle at all? I did it. Ooh, look at the ball in there. That's the ball that pops out. We love her. Let's try something. No. This is pretty good. Let's get back to it. Also, water's clear, so I'm gonna go straight to the lychee. Let's compare the taste. They're not as sweet now that I tasted the soda, but they taste really, really similar. Well, it's similar to these, but this is sweeter. I'm gonna try the gummy, and I'm terrified because these are unflavored gummies. So skinny. Oh, can you see me? Peekaboo. Okay, I'm scared. Oh! I'm gonna just do it. If I actually throw up, I'm so sorry. Okay. What's weird? They smell disgusting, but they don't taste like anything. It smells so bad. I just feel like the scent alone disgusts me. I think we're moving on, y'all. Ooh, should we go back to these? Okay, this is diakon radish. It's a clear radish. Do you see that? It actually does look kind of clear. Look at this, guys. It's pretty cool. It's like sweet. You know what? This is actually really good. I actually like radish in general. Like, this is interesting though because it's different. It has like a sweet taste, kind of. It's actually pretty good. So these are attap or palm seeds. I'm not really sure exactly what they are, but these are it right here. And they're like these little clear jelly looking things. They taste like gummies. It's like fruit gummies, but like real fruit gummies. They come in a very heavy syrup, but even placing them on here, it was like making a mess. Gummies, but like fruit version of gummies.
Nature's gummies.
Nature's gummies. None of that fruit roll up. The texture is really cool. I feel like it crumbles like a bean, which is so weird. So weird. I like it because it's just so different and weird. Wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with my old friend. Oh, aloe vera. I'm not happy. I'm not excited. I'm not thrilled. I don't know why the heck I'm doing this right now. But this is aloe vera. I hate it. I can't like it at all. Like, I like it in my hair and stuff, or like on my skin, but the taste is absolutely disgusting. Okay, let's just go off. I know I'm not like it, but I'll just try it. Should I just swallow it?
If you want to. It's not gonna hurt you. Wow, okay, so I don't know what's wrong with my taste buds, but like I didn't think it was as bad. But when I tried to swallow it, which by the way I did swallow half of it, and it just like wanted to come back up, so I was like, never mind. I'm so proud of myself though. I've tried this like twice or 3 times, and this is the first time I'm actually able to swallow it. Next up is, well, last but not least, I have 2 versions of this one. A raindrop cake. There's different ways of making a raindrop cake. There's like the agar, and then there's like this really transparent gelatin that I bought. So we made some, and these are it right here. We put some strawberries inside, and I think they are so cute. So this is a little one, like the normal size ones. Oh, look how good that looks. I made a giant version, and this is it right here. This is so cool. Look how big this is. And if I turn it around, it looks even bigger. The strawberry. Look at that. Like, how crazy is that? Whoa. So freaking cool. Look at this. Shout out to Ro, who's actually gonna do an ASMR with the rest of my leftovers. I'll link his video down below whenever he uploads it. Ooh, should I just take a bite? I wonder how it's gonna taste. It's sweet. We didn't even flavor this. This recipe calls for a lot of sugar, and it also has citric acid, so this actually tastes like sweet but a tiny bit sour. Like, it's pretty good. I'm shook. It's not bad at all. Let's try the little ones because these have strawberries inside of them, and it's gonna be bomb. Let's try one of these. You know what? I get it now. I get it. I get why they put the strawberries inside. I thought it was just for the aesthetics, but it's actually really good because you taste like a sweet gelatin on the outside and then the strawberry. It goes really good together. I'm so impressed. Like, who would know that this has flavor? That was actually so good. I don't know why I was actually the most nervous for the clear gelatin, especially after trying these. I think I just about liked everything except the aloe vera. I discovered that clear gelatin is a bop. I had a lot of fun with this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like ASMR. Comment down below what's the craziest food you've ever tried. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this clear food ASMR, and I hope you try some of these out. Don't forget to follow us on Craft City Life to keep updated with what's coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.